Day of the race. Slipped in the big AGNES. It's raining, cold, but we're dry. Welcome to Moto Camping Gear Channel. I am Cody, your host. Excited to be bringing you a review on Big AGNES Copper Spur HV UL2 bike packing tent. In today's video, we're going to go through 5 questions to help you determine whether you will be buying nice or buying twice. Number 1, weight and packability. Number 2, ease of setup. Number 3, will it keep you warm and dry? Number 4, durability. And number 5, price and value. At the end of the video, we'll go over some specialized features for this particular tent, breaking into a new market. I love it. Let's get into it. Without further ado, how much does it weigh? Can I carry it? Do I need to be a muscle man? It's gonna hurt my back. And where can I fit it? Here's my iPhone. Here's the tent. If you just flip it, it's basically 2 iPhones tall. The poles compact down to 12 inches. Which is amazing. I myself carry everything that comes with it, and it weighs in at 3 pounds 7 ounces. Trail weight at 3 pounds. So to sum up for item number 1, can I carry the weight? Yes, I can carry the weight. Where can I carry it? See these beautiful things? You can strap it to your bike. If you don't have a bike, get one. Number 2, is it easy to set up? So can I set it up in the dark? Or am I going to have parts all over the camp and nowhere to sleep?
First time setup was good, easy, pretty simple.
Well, hopefully right about now some B-roll will come in of my other video I have of how to set this up. In my opinion, yes, it is easy to set up. When I made the how-to video, I think that might have been the 3rd time I had ever set it up. It's not bad. There's color coding. It's great. But if you're wondering about the setup, I'll put a link up here. Number 3 is, will it keep me warm and will it keep me dry?
Oh, look what I found. What you doing, one boot?
I just want to crawl in this tent so bad.
What are your thoughts on the tent so far?
I like it. It's not quite as roomy as the MARMOT, but you know.
How's the weather last night?
The weather sucked. I did notice there's a big pool of water here.
Top?
Yeah, but it never came in there. I didn't get any wet inside at all. What'd you think of it?
I thought it was a little smaller than the MARMOT too, but overall stayed dry, which is all that matters.
Item number 4 I wanted to go over was durability. Feels very durable. I've already used it. Case is pretty robust. Can handle some abuse. So this is a waterproof case. I have dropped it a few times. I haven't wrecked the bike with it on it or anything, but it doesn't feel cheap. It's not it's no Walmart special. Nothing against Walmart tents, they do their job. They just don't do it quite as well as this. The materials are thinner to keep the weight down, but they seem to be of high quality, and like I said, there is absolutely no leaking. Does this bring me enough value to justify the price? The price of this baby almost knocked me over. However, once I got this home and got it out into the field, the quality almost knocked me over. It's so good. To have this small, compact size to take, when you set this baby up, you have room. The high volume is no joke. And now, I'll just show you sitting inside the tent. Got my hat on, sitting up just fine. We had 2 in this. Plenty of room, plenty of headroom, foot room. You have 2 doors, 2 vestibules. And it's your favorite time. Good morning, Scott.
Yeah, I know.
It's our favorite time.
I know.
Rise and shine.
I know.
Next time I'll bring an air horn. The price is high, so is it worth it? Well, it's the most expensive tent that I have ever bought for the fact that the poles break down to 12 inches and the tent is light and can be carried on the bike or in my hydro pack easily. The high volume makes for a very nice roomy feel. The case is better than any others as far as tough and compact with many mounting options. Quality, it is built well. It's watertight. We were in the rain. Camps that I've used this on were in heavy rain, not one leak. The bike pack is not a gimmick. It does what it says. Has many mounting options. You can carry the poles separately if you would like. You can attach it to your handlebars. You could attach it to the body of your bike. If you have a dirt bike and have a rack on the back, it will easily attach to that. I carry it in my hydro pack sometimes. It would fit better than a really good sleeping pad and or sleeping bag in your backpack. And weighing 3.5 pounds ish to 3, depending on what you take, you can break up the poles with your partner, whatever. The only thing that I would ding it for on price and value is that at $470 for an awesome tent, it is incredible. I'm not even joking. I love this thing. But at that price, to have to pay $75 for a footprint, because obviously you want to protect this investment, unless you just got more money than sense, and in that case, I'll give you my email and you can send me some over. Yeah, I think it's ridiculous that you have to pay $75 for a footprint for a $500 tent. Currently, I am using a TARP, but you do you.